הלודה ביחד עם אולימפוס מציגים את קו המוצרים החדש ב-2010. נמצאים כאן איתנו נאצ'ו אביה, מנכ"ל אולימפוס מוצרי צריכה של אירופה. נאצ'ו אביה, מנכ"ל אולימפוס מוצרי צריכה של אירופה. נמצא מר דומיניק פפנהיים, מנהל הסחר לכל האזור של אפריקה, אסיה ומזרח אירופה. ושמי דוד, אני מנכ"ל הלודה, ואנחנו נתחיל את הפגישה כאן.
Olimupus, and it's a real pleasure to be here with all of you. I think Israel is one of our most important markets, very successful one, and it's a real pleasure and honor to be with you to introduce today a revolutionary new, not camera, but a system camera, system category, which is tell you some words about Olimupus in Israel. I think that later on, Mr. Alon will talk more about the situation of Olimupus in Israel, but from my perspective, I think that we have a partnership with a Loda company since 1998. Yeah. So almost 15 years relation. So basically, since the very beginning of the digital technology came, we started a partnership with a Loda company, and since then we have had a very good track of success in the country. The way we deal with our local partners is that for us a Loda company is Olympus in Israel, so we are the same family, working in the same family, and thus we have to develop the market together. And the results so far, I can tell you that out of every 4 cameras which are being sold in Israel, 1 is from Olympus. So we do have 25% market share, which is really outstanding result, and really I am very satisfied of the job that a lot of companies doing as part of the Olympus family in Israel, and it's a great achievement. So we hope that we can support from the headquarters function to bring this even to a further challenge. So the last milestone of our company, and this is what the main reason why we are here, is to present a pen camera or a pen category or something which is really new. Pen is much more than a camera. Pen is a revolution in photography. I think that Olympus is a company that is always trying to pioneer in every field we are. And once again we have done it through the pen category. The first pen camera, you might recall about pen cameras. The first Olympus pen cameras was born in 1959, so 50 years ago. And at that time it was a revolution because in a compact body we were able to put the same quality of any SLR camera. We are doing this again in the digital film. So in a smaller body than a DSLR, in a much more easy to weigh camera, we are offering to our target users the same quality than a DSLR camera. It's said that an image worth more than 1,000 words. In this case, a video worth more than 1,000 words, because in essence, this is not only a great camera, a great DSLR quality camera, but also it's a great video camera as well that can offer possibilities that a standard video camera cannot offer. So this is real revolution. We believe that there is a lot of people, there is a lot of customers that are looking for a device that can offer them the possibility to shoot great pictures, but in a smaller body than a DSLR and much more easy to use. And this is what we are offering. So we are not compromising quality at all, but the pen camera is able to offer a very user-friendly way to manage and in a smaller compact body. This is about pen. We believe that this is a revolution. We know that many of our competitors are bringing this type of cameras, this type of categories to the market during the rest of the year. So probably Photokina will be announced competitors product from our competitors. But once again, Olympus has been pioneering on this technology, and we are present in the mirrorless category or pen category since the beginning of this year. So that's what we believe is going to be the next revolution in photography. So that's all from my side. I would like to come to the stage Mr. Pappenheim. Mr. Pappenheim is responsible for the business and in all the direct export area territories, which is Middle East, Africa, and Russia and former Soviet republics. So Dominic.
Thanks, Nasha. So also from my side, Boker Tov and Shalom. I'm very happy to be here in Israel. We established a relationship with David like 10, 12 years ago, and I'm very happy to see the result of the hard work which we've done in the last years. And as you have seen, every fourth camera in Israel is an Olympus camera. That's definitely worth mentioning for us. Okay, so let me. When you use the product, you will find it as attractive as I did when I first used it, because you can explain a lot and you can look at a lot of data sheets, but really using the product shows you how much fun it is and how great the results are.